My portfolio wasn't a disaster, but it was a distraction. I currently hold over 70 positions. Most are fundamentally good companies, but they are small positions that just add noise. I realized I was managing a zoo, not a portfolio, so I made a strategic decision. I am selling the bottom 30. I am not selling them because they are bad. I am selling them because they are clutter. I am taking the capital from those 30 small positions and moving it into my solvency anchors, the ETFs. I am trading potential complexity for guaranteed stability. But I am keeping the core. I am keeping over 40 positions. These are the high conviction plays. The stocks that aren't just good but are critical to the future economy. I can't go through all 40 today, so I am going to show you the generals, the top 3 holdings that lead this army and drive the bulk of my growth. This is the fortress and army strategy. The ETFs are the fortress. They ensure I survive. The 40 stocks are the army. They go out and capture growth. Why keep 40 soldiers? Because the fortress only defends. The army attacks. These 40 plus stocks are chosen to beat the average. They are the alpha in my portfolio. And leading the charge are 3 companies that have arguably the strongest economic moats in history. Let's look at the generals. General number 1, my biggest holding. They own the front door of the internet. If you want to know anything, you go to them. Alphabet, Google. They command the 2 most valuable pieces of real estate on earth, search and YouTube. The market panics about AI competition. But I look at the balance sheet. They have nearly $100 billion in cash and huge net liquidity. When startups scramble for funding, Google has a war chest that allows them to outspend anyone in the AI race. I kept this because it is the value general of my army. Low risk, high optionality, and they still own the world's data. General number 2. If you want to sell anything or host anything online, you essentially have to pay a toll to them. Amazon. They own the physical rails with Prime, logistics, and the digital rails with AWS. This is not a retail company. It is an infrastructure company. 1/3 of the cloud runs on AWS. If they shut down, massive parts of the digital economy go dark. That is not just a business. That is a global utility. I kept this because it is the ultimate compounder. They generate massive cash flow and relentlessly reinvest into logistics and data centers. It is a 10-year hold. General number 3. This is the engine. It is the most critical commodity of the 21st century. Nvidia. Everyone calls it a bubble. I call it a monopoly on intelligence. I am not punting on a stock price. I am owning the company that powers the AI revolution. Software needs hardware, and right now, Nvidia is the undisputed standard. They have a technological lead that makes them nearly impossible to displace. It is volatile, but as long as the world needs compute, Nvidia wins. It leads the quality cogs into the future. The ETFs are the fortress. The 40 quality stocks are the army. No clutter, just engineering. I am selling the noise to fund the victory.